Hey Kevin, you're on the video.
Oh.
This is my friend Kevin.
Oh. Why didn't you tell me to get sunglasses, Cody?
Well, we're flying really high, I guess. There's Cody, sunglasses. You can see it's sunny right now.
Uh-oh.
It looks good. Bring it back a little bit, Cody.
I'm trying.
Okay. Oh, hit the fence.
Really? You want me to hop the fence for you?
Yeah.
Here, I'll get it.
Alright. Okay, so apparently it went over the fence.
Everything's fine.
Okay. The airplane is fine.
Hey, Kevin. Whoa.
Don't throttle up.
Grab that carefully by the top. And then just set it down. Now, have you ever tried doing it like this? A year ago.
It's their first flight.
Hey, look, they're bored already.
When you're flying, that's what makes it hard.
Here's the E-flite ready to fly kit. Mark out.
Except the battery. Oh, yeah, thank you.
And look at that giant battery. 3,200 milliamp hours. Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
I think that was the right number.
Yes, it is.
I was like, just grab a bunch of dirt, toss it, see which way the wind's blowing. And it's blowing that way. Okay, you ready to take off, or you want to wait?
Straight into the wind.
You going now?
With the wind. I should take on.
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're right here.
Yeah, we are right here.
Oh, okay.
If we have to go recover a plane, someone will stay around.
Yeah. Alright, ready? Me, I'll be security.
Yeah, Kevin's good security. Alright, Cody, yeah, I'm ready. We're good, we're recording. Is that trim much better, or a little smoother?
Yeah.
That's good.
Wow.
Oh, that's a nice hover. Yeah, Cody, go for like a landing. The wind's blowing in your favor. I'll get out of your way if you need me to. Uh-oh. Hey, look, there's a pole there, yeah. Not too bad. That's alright. Didn't crash.
What do you?
What, that?
No, the light bulb.
Oh, yeah, certainly.
Okay, good.
I doubt. Okay, we're going for a crosswind landing. Or a takeoff from there. Looked alright. Whoa. go get under it. That's a good approach. If I could find it, there it is.
15-degree angle.
That's still soft enough to not cause damage. Once you hear that, it means ready.
Okay.
If you want. Doesn't really matter. Watch Mark take off. He'll take out your plane. Just no problem.
Please go right for it and kill it.
Yeah, Mark, is that what you're planning?
Okay, how much?
Did you hear Mark?
Yeah. How much was that, and how much is Mark?
200 to 300. So they're comparable.
Wait, that cost $200?
Sort of, in a way you can think about it like that.
Oh.
With all the controllers and everything, you know.
Yeah, the plane itself is like 150.
Not even.
I never knew. Well, it was 109 minus the landing gear. I never knew these planes could be so much.
Well, these are a little more performance than your Air Hogs kind of set.
Brandon, the one guy had a $20,000 jet engine plane.
You mean Kevin?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I saw that one. Yeah, $20,000, Kevin. Could you believe that?
What for one?
Yeah, a jet. And like car size though. It was much bigger than these. It looked bigger on the ground, and it looked bigger in real life than it did on the camera.
Could you actually put a person in it?
Nah.
Maybe a baby.
Yeah, a baby, probably 50 pounds sounds about right. Okay, keep throttle on like where you have it. Looks good.
God.
Just be careful.
Whoa!
Perfect landing.
Yeah.
What was that like? One of your first successful drive landing?
Rolling landing.
That's good. That's always good.
Plane.
Hear like a similar tone on all these planes. It's the ESC's tone.
Yeah.
I think I said that right. Electronic speed
Man, it
control.
sounds like an actual plane.
I guess.
No, I mean like I don't know, like
that plane makes it
like you know, like it's ready to fly. Come on.
Now this plane in comparison to that one, like 100% bigger.
What?
You're playing in comparison to the P-51.
Yeah. What kind of plane is this?
This is like a model of the Cessna, I guess.
Yeah.
Looks like a Cessna. Trimming it out.
Trying to get it to using your tactic.
Very nice.
Technique. What are you trying to do?
Maneuverable nose
throttle
gear.
all the way down to expect it better.
Sounds like it's on.
Wait, is that throttle? Yeah. Oh, this.
Wait. So Mark, you're trimming throttle down so you can turn it on? You're trimming it down so you can turn it on faster?
Yeah, no, I turned it back up.
Okay. Well, whatever you want.
Hopefully the battery's still in because my mom, like a couple days ago, unplugged it from the outlet.
You mean the charger?
Yeah, from the outlet instead of from the battery.
Oh, yeah, the thing I said my mom would do with the draining, yeah, it'll drain you. Well, we'll see, it sounds like...
It won't drain it that much.
Yeah, it won't, but go for a taxi just in case. And test a little bit. I mean, it sounds fine. You should be able to glide it if you get into trouble. And watch for those sinkholes around here. Because I ran into one with your plane, went right into the nose thing. You should have saw it, because it was your plane.
Oh, yeah, that one, yeah.
It was over there. Yeah.
Alright, Mark. Pick up a lot of stuff. No, I get... No.
Damn you. It's fine. I guess it's on, I don't know. Wow, that got far away fast. I can't see it barely. I have to zoom in.
Oh! No matter how far away it is, it's intimidating.
Yeah, see, Mark? That's fun. So, does it feel like your battery's dying, or?
Not at all. Let's see if we can get there.
So, you're good then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is absolutely no aileron or elevator.
Yeah. Playing this dogfighting a little bit. Okay, Mark's sporting out his Cessna right there. You could see that. Don't fly into the sun. Don't. Ow.